Hoist day. Absolutely. 2-post hoist, finally. After 20 years of getting up and down off concrete, I'll finally have a 2-post hoist. Location is here, 1 post, the other post. It's a clear floor, so we'll be up over the top. Plenty of height. Still need access to that door, and if I spin around, that's the main drive in, so ideally post. We'll go from there. We'll see how it lands, but that's the plan. I've been testing location with the golf bag at the moment, so I've been walking in and around it, and it's not too bad. I've still got plenty of good access, so we should be all right. If anything, it might shuffle a little bit this way, but I still need to get access to and from here, because I do use this as space, so it needs to, obviously I can't put a post right in the middle here because that makes that door pointless, doesn't it? So cars, trailers, everything else that wants to sit out here. So we've got a Mark IV and a Mark III. Current and future projects. So he'll be here shortly. He just rang me, said he's on his way, so I'll see what footage I can get of him installing. We'll see if he is cool with that. If not, I'll just cut to the end once installed. Boys have just ducked off to have some lunch, so they've been knocking this shit out. So we're mostly bolted in around the bottom. There's a few more bolts to go. This side's pretty much sorted. Electric locks, limit switch bar up the top, so that if the car gets too high, it'll activate the switch, which is there. So that the bar will come up and then bump that switch. So you got the ram, you've got the cables up top, which we're still yet to put in. You're just sorting out the hydraulics and running the electrics, plugging the electrics into the box. So yeah, progress is happening. Dream come true. Can't wait. that's the end of the day. The stalls are just driven off. Champions. Hoist is in. Really enjoying it. No packers needed, no shims needed. Concrete was bang on level. Currently we're just running an extension lead, but that will be hardwired to the power board over here, so power will come up, go along the roof and then come back down to that power board. It'll have its own circuit. Debate whether I should put some power points here for charging, maybe some lights or something, who knows. But for now, we're in and done, and I love it. Yep. Wind it down a bit, might be just because you're sitting in it. Maybe we need to come back. Just wind it down. Yeah.
On the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can move them out without.
When it's in the air, if it slips out, it locks itself. So it doesn't make... They won't always lock if they're not fully lined up.
Yeah.
So those ones are barely
Yeah,
locked.
and those ones are.
Those ones fit. Sometimes I do some split out here.
Well, I think we have got enough working height, I believe. I'm happy with this working height. The last thing I want to do is go around like this. Go underneath it. Jeez, those welds.
They weren't mine actually.
They'd be getting, those bolts aren't even the right bolts.
I know, I had to find the bolts because I had to cut them off, remember?
As you do when you got a hoist, you play with it. Yeah, that should be right. Oop, that was a bit far. Huh?
Yeah, these things sit here off the center of the hoist.
Yeah, got it. Well, at least we've got no issues, although this isn't lowered, but when it is, it might be an issue.
Lower them all the way down if it is by like
Yeah.
where it was clear. I'll put it back to that pixel.
Yeah, I'll leave that.
That's it now.
Yeah, not right now.